once we start talking about adding and subtracting, then we can start talking about the part-part-whole model. And so the part-part-whole model is a good way to show addition and also to show subtraction. So you can see with the little drawing I have here, if you put A and B together, you have length C. So A and B would be called the parts, and C would be called the whole. Okay, and I do have some little linking cubes. These are easy to kind of represent part-part-whole. So there's my two parts. When I put them together, I get a length that's the same as the whole. And I can do purple plus green and get the brown, or I can switch them, and I can do green plus purple is equal to the brown. So this would be showing the commutative property, right? That green and purple and green, like it's going to yield the same thing. You can also think about it, if you take the whole and you take away the purple part, you're left with the green part. Or if you start with your whole and you take away the green part, you're left with the purple part. So this shows subtraction, right? So the brown minus the green is equal to the pink or purple, whatever color you want to call that. Or brown minus the purple is equal to the green. So it basically is giving us the idea that adding and subtracting, they're kind of in families. The two parts and the whole kind of come as a family. So this leads us to fact families, which I think you're going to find is one of the easiest things we do here. And this is specifically going to be a fact family for addition and subtraction. And I found this little picture that I absolutely love because these would be the easiest manipulatives for you to make in class. Your students can pick up these little triangles and hold them. And what you can see is it's got three numbers, and it's supposed to be obvious that the biggest number is the whole and the other two are the parts. So you can see that if you were to pick this up and cover up the top, 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. And you can kind of quiz yourself. Or you can cover up this one. 12 minus 5 would be 7. And you're right. Or 12 minus 7 would be 5. And so if you can pick these up and turn them around. They're great manipulatives for students to use. And you can kind of quiz yourself on your addition and your subtraction facts, but they all kind of go together. So if we want to write the fact family for 12, 5, and 7, I'm hoping that it's obvious that this is an addition and subtraction fact family. This couldn't be like multiplication or division or anything like that. So the first thing you could say is that 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. Or 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. Those are both the addition side of the family. And then for the subtraction side, you would say 12 minus 7 is 5, or 12 minus 5 is 7. And those would be the four members of the fact family. And these fact families are always going to have four members, 2 addition and 2 subtraction. And the numbers can only go one way and make sense. So usually it's pretty easy to come up with the members in the fact family.